What's up, guys? It's Kay Howell back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a mystery Temu unboxing. This mystery box was sent by my good friend Pizza Cat, and I have no idea what to expect. Let's get into it. First, we've got what looks to be a dish mat. It has a genius quote from Ye himself on it. So inspirational. It has an interesting shiny texture too, but seems to have a high print quality. Next up, we have a mystery tube. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, 40 reasons to work out. If you guys don't know, Pizza Cat is on his fitness arc and has started lifting regularly. Pretty soon, he'll be bigger than me. Very high quality fabric and a great motivation to keep up. Another mystery tube. What could it be? Ooh, I recognize this quote. Right from one of the greatest albums of all time, despite what some reviewers might say. Speaking of, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Pizza Cat so he can catch up to me in subs. And don't forget to
love yours.
Dang, disappointed with the packaging on this one. I expected better from Temu. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this one's not taped shut like the others. Looks like another J. Cole poster. Not as good as 2014 Forest Hills Drive, but still has some classics on it.
Bottom line, I can't go. If I die, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Give me drink, give me smoke, give me high, let me float. I'm a clown.
Another mystery tube. Wow, so inspirational. A sub to the channel would get me one step closer to the 1%. Interesting. This one comes with a weirdly high-quality plastic tube on the inside. Oh my gosh, guys, is that Ye again? What's this? Ooh, I think it's to stick it up on the wall. Very useful. Another high-quality inspirational print. This one's definitely going on my wall. And the last surprise in the package. Wow, the fabric is way higher quality than I was expecting. I guess I gotta try it on. Let me know in the comments, guys. Should I add this to my daily fit? Well, that's it from me today. Thanks for watching. Big thanks to Pizza Cat for making this video possible. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe. See you next time.